In today's video, I will be sharing my views on LUNC and USDC coin. Probably you might be holding a lot of LUNC tokens. Along with this, you might have some USDC which are no more equal to $1. So it's never gonna be 1 cent or $1, but still we have high hopes. Although I'm gonna clear many of the things in this video that what's going to happen in the near future. But for LUNC community, we already got a big turn down from the validators, those who were expected to burn 800 million USDC, although it's not happening very soon. There are many more updates related to LUNC which I will be sharing with you in this video. Hello, I'm Mahesh and I'm an analyst and investor of cryptocurrency since more than 5 years, and I share my views on the latest crypto trends on the basis of which you can build your wealth. As we could see a very huge price surge in LUNC in the last few days, although it's not happening anymore. I'm gonna share a few bad updates, although you're not gonna like to hear this, but it's the truth. It's the truth that I'm gonna share with you. So LUNC and USDC both are much more like meme coin right now. You cannot compare it with any fundamental coin because first of all, if you look at the Terra.money website, its ecosystem, you won't find Terra Classic or USDC in its ecosystem. Terra Money is not ready to include LUNC or USDC in their ecosystem. They're not willing to share anything related to these two coins. Already they have disowned these coins, and if we go to Terra Finder, that's the actual block explorer of Terra, which is just like if you go to TRC chain or maybe some BNB chain just to look at the addresses, you can find here there's a mainnet, classic, testnet, and local Terra. So the only good thing that possible right now that you can look for your addresses and search for them is a classic. So you can look for Terra Classic addresses and check the transparency of your coins or maybe your address or what's happening in your address or maybe your wallet. So I mean to say that Terra Money doesn't even have an official website of Terra Classic. That's the biggest reason that why validators of Luna Classic have been trying to bring a new website. They're willing to work on it dedicatedly, although it's not going to happen unless all the validators approve for this, unless they do the voting for this. And what if again the validators doesn't approve the proposal? For example, there was a proposal of 800 million tokens to be burned for USDC, but their proposal was not approved. So just because of that, it's not happening anymore. The burn proposal has been rejected already. Similarly, I'm just trying to tell you that Luna Classic doesn't have any official website, and there's not even a separate block explorer for Luna Classic. And yet it's a big turn down for all the Luna Classic holders. And it's similar, there's the same news for USDC as well. The Terra Classic USD, it doesn't have its value, it doesn't have its own website, there's nothing. That's the reason that why I came up with this video, just to make you clear that these are more like meme coins. But not just the bad news, I also came up with good updates for you. But before that, let me finish with the bad updates. So one of the bad update, one of the big turn down was the only thing, the burn of 800 million tokens, which wasn't approved. But still, I'm very sure that this depends completely on the validators. If the voting turns to yes, or if it turns to be approved at some day, it's gonna burn more than 800 million. So we could be expecting more in the future. Similarly, one more thing has been introduced. There was a proposal 11933, the tax policy of 1.5%. So again, most of the validators are saying no to this. They're not ready to burn 1.5% as a tax on USDC or even LUNC, because they believe the quantity that they are holding, they don't want to burn whole of the quantity. They are willing to assume that this quantity has some value. At some point in future, it's going to have good value. That's the reason they want to keep this quantity to them and not burn it right away. But one good news that I could hear from validators is that they have proposed for 0% transaction fee on LUNC, which was highly unlikely for me. So Luna Classic Labs validator has reduced their fee down to 0%, although currently it's 9% and it's going 1% every day down, and by December 25th it will be 0%. So it's one of the biggest update about the LUNC, that if there's no fee, so the transactions will be happening more. And it also leads to more of buying, which also means that there will be more trading with a lesser fee. Whenever there's a lesser fee on any coin, there's a more trading. So now let's talk about one of the biggest update that I'm gonna share with you. So Pancake has requested seed inject from the Luna validators. So Luna Classic validators are gonna help with this thing. So what's gonna happen here is that $100,000 of seed injection will be done into the liquidity pool to open pool between LUNC and BNB chain. And one more thing, the LUNC will be whitelisted. So you might be wondering why all this is happening. The only reason is that it is just to mitigate losses the traders that they faced on the exchanges. So another big update is that whenever the Luna Classic will be whitelisted, there won't be any need for importing the token. So it will stay there. So you don't need the address to import the token. It will stay there. You just look for LUNC and you can easily find it. So currently, if you saw any decline or any rejection in the price of Terra Classic or USDC, it's all happening just because of the rejection of the proposal of 800 million Terra Classic USD. Although remember that it's a very temporary thing happening right now in the market, which also depends upon the BTC price. But if we look the overall scenario, it's going to be very good. The most important thing I told you about the injection of $100,000, the pool of LUNC, and also whitelisting of LUNC. So I hope you got the point that what I'm trying to share with you, and how many LUNC you are holding right now or USDC you are holding right now, please comment below. And if you need video on any particular coin, any other project or coin, then please comment below. I will bring a new video on that very soon. And I hope you like this video. Please like and share this video with your friends who are holding LUNC or USDC or maybe even Luna. And make sure that you subscribe to Polar Byte channel. See you next time. Thank you.